Whitby.
Whitby. Yep.
Whitby. Well, it seems to be another sunny day. Absolutely love it here. I really, really enjoy coming here. Don't know why. We live near the sea anyway. But I don't know. I think it's great. Got the cardi on.
Yeah, Samantha's got a cardi on now. She feels a lot better.
Freezing.
She's freezing. It's not that cold anyway.
Damn,
That's
my
alright.
hair.
No, don't be silly.
Gone wrong.
Your hair's
It's
gone
all
wrong.
sticking out, look.
Look, hair's gone wrong. Yeah, look, it's very windy now.
Oh look at the boat, look.
What
Look at
boat?
the boat, look.
Where?
What's Captain X's boat, isn't it? There you go.
Yeah, it's the replica of Captain Cook's boat, wasn't it?
Is it
The insurance. Yeah, I think it is. Yeah.
Oh, the sky does look a bit grey.
Yeah, look a bit grey over there, doesn't
As
it?
long as it stays dry.
Yeah. It'll be alright, but the sky does look a bit grey. Yeah, I think we'll be fine.
Isn't that over there, the end of the line?
Yeah, it's
To
at
the
the
North Yorkshire.
North Yorkshire Moors Railway. Yeah, it's the end of the
Yeah.
line over there, yeah.
Starts at
Yeah.
Pickering, doesn't it?
It does start Pickering, yeah. You're correct. You can see it or not, but just see the Whitby Abbey in the background. There's 199 steps to get to that. And,
Are we going to climb?
Yeah, we're looking forward to climbing them.
We're going to climb all of them?
Yeah, of course you will. You'll climb all of them.
I doubt it.
Yeah, you'll be there. There it is, the Black Pearl. Oh, Captain Jack. Started doing boat trips.
Looks like Amber Heard. Well, perhaps that's her there.
Yeah, that's her. Yeah, there she is.
I reckon that's
No,
more.
yeah, it's more her. She's in a bottle after Jack won. You can see that or not, but the swing bridge is coming open. So there's obviously going to be a big boat come out. It's the other side's coming open. You'll see it in a minute.
Well, I would say it's that one coming through.
Oh yeah. The bridge is open, and I think we are waiting. Wait for it. Oh, and there it comes. I think it's just the tall mast that they've had to open the swing bridge for. I think the boat would have got under that. What do you think? Yeah, I think the boat would definitely got under that.
I think you'll find it's the next one coming along, though, babe.
Oh yeah. Oh well, there's always a plonker. He sneaked out now the bridge is open. But really, we're waiting for this one. You gotta wait for it. Wait for it. Here it comes.
What's that?
Whitby Ghost Walks. Whitby Ghost Walks, as seen on TV.
You can go on your own for that.
Yeah, I didn't think you'd be going on that one. That's what I like about Whitby, look. Look at that. There's so many...
Yeah, it's so nice, isn't it?
So many little hidden gems.
Quaint.
Yeah.
And there's this other one here.
Yeah. I'm just going to get some stamps.
Okay. Did you get some?
Yeah. Yeah, got
Did you get any postcards for you then?
No.
So we got stamped without a postcard.
That's alright, don't worry about it.
Excellent. Did you want to look down inside?
Yeah. Cornish bakery. Yeah, I think we'll get a pasty later. Dinner time. Sounds good, doesn't it?
Certainly does. We're going.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it's quite there, isn't it? Beautiful, isn't it?
We can look now because when we came down here last time, we couldn't even walk down here, could we? Do you remember how busy it was?
Yeah. It's 199 steps.
One,
Here we go.
2.
Yeah, count them all. It's a bit steep. We'll do your foot any good or not.
It's not that so uneven. Are we at the top yet?
Yeah, I wish. Yeah, this is not the Abbey. This is the, I think it's called St Mary's Church. But the Abbey is just there, if you can see there. I think in this church is where Simply Red filmed some of his video, Holding Back the Years. I'm pretty sure it is in there. There's that. Wow.
Yeah, there's a bench over there. Let's go and have a look over there.
Yeah, it's going to sit down. That sounds like a bit of a plan,
You
that,
got my
doesn't it?
cardigan?
Yeah, got a cardigan. It's all in there. It's a good spot actually there, Stoker. That bench, very good spot.
Yeah. Have a look in there. Harbour
The
Wall.
harbour wall, yeah. Oh, looks like the dredger's going out. Is he dredging?
Well, I presume that's what
Yeah.
they did do.
Yeah. The sea looks quite calm today, doesn't it?
Well,
Yeah, it's
when we
nice.
went-
The sky's not that bad. It's a bit cloudy, as you can see, but it depends when you come round. Keep it down. You can hear the bells chiming. Nearly 10:30.
It's your dinner time. Quasi's time.
Quasi's.
One thing I noticed on here, Tony, the gravestones, they've all got like bubbly ripples and things.
Yeah, I've noticed that.
Have you noticed that? Look,
A lot of them, yeah.
I mean, turn the camera around and I can show you.
Yeah, look.
That's like, I don't know, I wonder what stone it is to make it do that.
It's weathered, I mean, hundreds of years old.
But there's loads.
There's loads of them, man. They're all big,
Massive.
big headstones.
Massive stones,
Yeah.
aren't they? I mean, it's just, look at that one. I'll stand next to it to get a height.
Yeah, I mean,
It's got to be what, 5 foot?
Well, yeah, I mean,
Hold on a second, I'm in the wrong.
Yeah, good 5 foot, 4.5 foot, 5 foot, yeah.
Yeah, it's got to be about 4.5 foot, isn't it?
They're all that sort of size, every single one of them.
Right. And then
They're massive.
another one there, look. Yeah. They're just sort of... And then what happened is they break, obviously.
Yeah.
Where they just snapped in two. Oh, wow, look at this one. You can just sort of see the layers.
There's the stone.
Right, we're approaching the steps.
Yeah. Mind you, go down, I think, slightly easier than coming up.
You reckon?
Yeah, definitely.
Right, you might have to do the filming because I have to do the holding on.
You reckon?
Yeah.
I don't think so.
I do.
Here we go. Yeah. On our way down. 199 on the way down. Samantha's holding on to the railing. She I feel that steady. She goes in front.
I think I'm doing well.
Yeah, I think you're doing very well. I think a lot of other better things to do.
I think
Like
they're
the pub.
numbered. I think they're in Roman numerals.
Well, they're
There's a
numbered.
little
Circles on them.
crack of a button of some form on the step.
that, yeah. Yeah.
And as you can see,
Getting a bit close.
steps are numbered. I think they're numbered every 10, something like that.
Is that, what
Yeah,
number's that?
there's LXX. No, a bit more than 20, I think.
What's an X?
X is 10.
X is
10.
10, and you said XX.
LXX.
Oh, L. Sorry, I didn't hear the L.
Yeah. What's the other one? So
It's 20.
you found L?
That's a L is 20.
Let's just see what it is.
Well, that's
There
just
they are.
L.
That's just L. So they are, yeah, there's also some form of a numbering system on them. I would have thought.
It's Roman numerals.
Yeah.
It's got to be.
But as you can see, I mean, you are fairly steep, to be honest with you, when you're up there.
I can smell fish and chips.
Oh, I can smell fish and chips. Must be close to dinner time. Oh,
Is it the top?
I'm not quite sure. There we go, we're coming to the end. These are, yeah, the famous 199 Whitby Abbey steps.
One man reckons that it's.
Yeah, one man says 198, he's counted them.
Sorry, I'm on the wrong side. I was on the wrong side, sorry.
Yeah, plus Samantha. I mean, that road is actually very steep. You can't see that. It's very steep.
So you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
10, yes, the first one is 10.
The 10 is X.
Yeah, 10 is X.
Right, cup of tea then?
Yeah, cup of tea it isn't.
Cool. What about a pasty that you promised?
Yeah, pasty. Nice pasty.
Sounds like a plan.
That is-
We've got some
that's-
cake in the camper van,
Yeah,
haven't we?
good cake, yeah.
Yeah, so we'll have
Cake.
pasty, cake and
Cup of tea.
tea. Really slimming.
Yeah.
That's going to really help my diet.
Of course it will. You'll have you gain loads of weight.
Of course.